So in this video, we're going to try doing a cup, but this time we're going to use a cylinder instead of a cube. So I'm going to actually just start a brand new scene here, and we're going to delete our light and our camera, and we're going to delete our cube, of course, too. Then Shift A, Mesh, and we'll select Cylinder. Okay, you have a cylinder here. Click on my X viewport, G to move, Z so that we position it right on the line there. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go underneath the cylinder here, tab into Edit Mode, make sure that you're on Polygon mode, which is the face here. We're going to select the bottom here, move our mouse over here, Control B, which is a bevel, and we're just going to give it some segments. To give it a segment, you have to roll the middle mouse button up. So that's going to be our bottom of our cup. And for the top part, we have to select the top part. We're going to inset, I for inset, and we'll make it to about there. Click on our X-ray mode, click on the X viewport, and E for extrude all the way down to the inside. There it is. Okay, that's on the cup. We can even make this edge, the inner edge. Let's go to edge mode right here. Select this edge here and then hold down Alt and just click on it so it rings it. And then Control B again for a bevel. And a nice bevel like that. Okay? Right click on it, choose Shade Auto Smooth, and you have your cup. Now we need a handle. Tab into Edit Mode again, make sure we're in Polygon mode, and just select these two sides of the cup. You're going to Shift D to copy it, right click, cancel the move, P on your computer for selecting, tab out of Edit Mode, select, so this is the newly created piece right here, the cylinder, and we got a cylinder over one. That's the one we want. Tab into Edit Mode again. We can get rid of this middle piece here. I'm just going to select Edge Mode here. Select this. Press X and go Dissolve Edge. Now you can select this edge down here. Actually, just select the whole thing. A for select everything. S for scale, and scale on the Z axis down to like make it like a little more like a cube looking like thing. Then G, Z to move it about there. All right. Now click on your X right here. So we're in the X view, and click on X-ray toggle, and move this back a bit. G, Y, just move it inside the cup a little bit, and then E for extrude. Extrude it outwards. Tab out of Edit Mode. We're going to go to our modifiers panel, add a modifier, generate subdivision surface, give it a 3, and now tab back into Edit Mode and start extruding and rotating and moving. If you don't like something, you can always move it around again as well. So we've got to click on our vertex mode. Make sure you're in X-ray mode, and now you can just move a selection box around whatever you want. Make sure that's on X-ray mode here, and just drag a selection box around the parts you want to move. Press G, and you just can move them. Tab out of Edit Mode, and then you got your cup.